Today we'll be talking about how much a coffee shop around me makes in revenue per day. Of course, we'll start with some data. So I did a quick survey and I found about 10 coffee shops around me and I've listed down how much they make in revenue each day. Instead of simply answering the average revenue, what we're going to do today is we are going to try to define a range at which these coffee shops operate. You might wonder why we did not just choose to take mean and the standard deviation like we did yesterday. It's because of these two outliers that we have up top that are very different from the usual data that we have. In order to avoid this effect of the outliers that we have, I'm going to use something called as percentiles. First, we start by sorting the data that we have in an ascending manner. Let me start by clearing this, that percentiles themselves are not a component of measure of dispersion. In fact, they are positional components of your data. For example, 90th percentile is the value that is greater than 90% of the values in your dataset. So in order to calculate the 90th percentile, I'm going to divide 90 by 100 and multiply that with n plus 1, n being the number of records in your dataset. The plus 1 basically helps us to eliminate the 100th percentile because you cannot have a value that is greater than 100% of your data.